Kindergarten most essential learning competencies. Fourth quarter, school year 2020-2021. Week 1, name common animals. Observe, describe, and examine common animals using their senses. Identify the needs of animals. Identify ways to care for animals. Identify and describe how animals can be useful. Week 2, name common plants. Observe, describe, and examine common plants using their senses. Group plants according to certain characteristics such as parts, kind, habitat. Identify needs of plants and ways to care for plants. Identify and describe how plants can be useful. Week 3, classify objects according to observable properties like size, color, shape, texture, and weight. Week 4, identify simple ways of taking care of the environment. Week 5, explore simple cause and effect relationships in familiar events and situations. Week 6, recognize and name the hour and minute hands in a clock. Tell time by the hour. Week 7, identify the number that comes before, after, or in between. Arrange 3 numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least. Week 8, recognize the words put together, add to, and in all that indicate the act of adding whole numbers. Recognize the words take away, less, and are left that indicate the act of subtracting whole numbers. Week 9, add quantities up to 10 using concrete objects. Subtract quantities up to 10 using concrete objects. Week 10, write addition and subtraction number sentences using concrete representations.